We are in LA, baby.
Technically, we're in Marina Del Rey right now, but Los Angeles.
It's still foggy out too.
Woo-woo. We're here for 2 days, 2 nights before we head to
Coachella, baby.
Coachella, Palm Springs, Coachella. So we're excited for that.
I've never been. Carter has been one time.
I went a while ago. It was fun. So excited to go back.
Yes, we're festival kings.
Yeah, we've been doing a lot. We flew here from Fort Lauderdale this morning. Flight was good, but yeah, we're excited. We went to the gym already.
Got some new gear.
Gold's Gym, where Arnold Schwarzenegger.
They actually have some really good clothes there.
Yeah, it was cool. It was really busy, and it was cool though. We worked out outside and inside.
Yeah, so you'll see us wearing some of their tank tops. They're pretty nice.
Yeah, so did that. We have a dinner tonight. You're getting a massage.
My shoulder hurts, so calling somebody over to work on me for a little bit.
Coming to the hotel, and I am going to.
Speaking of, I think that was.
Go do something while that's happening. But yeah, tomorrow. What do we?
Tomorrow we're gonna go hiking.
Yeah, we're gonna try to work out again.
We like to work in a little bit of nature on our trips, so balances everything out.
Yeah.
So we gotta get one with Mother Nature.
We have to find where we're gonna go hiking. I found the one place.
The one canyon place.
I know, but we'll have to do some more research.
Yes, I'm
excited.
Yeah,
we're here. We made it safe and sound. It's cold for LA. It's like 50s.
But it's good because we're about to get toasted in Florida. So
and Palm Springs is like gonna be 85 degrees.
So I'm enjoying it. It's really nice, a little refreshing.
Yeah. So we're excited for this trip starting today, and
we'll just be giving you guys like little snippets of Coachella, the hike, maybe some of the food places we go to.
Yeah, just
a little bit of random stuff throughout the trip. So
yeah, things that we think are exciting enough to share on here. But for now, we are going to kind of settle in. We did have that long flight, and go to dinner, get some rest, and then wake up and see what tomorrow brings.
Yep.
We're gonna like it.
Day 1 of our trip officially.
So we'll see you guys in the morning.
See ya. Alright, folks, so we are on our way to a state park, right? Is that what it is?
It's a hiking trail.
There's like so many trails here though, it's kind of hard to figure out which one we want to go to. So we just kind of picked a random one. The trees here are different, I like it. They have all these like funky desert-looking trees.
Turn left onto Vereda de la
Even though we're not directly in the desert.
Then the destination is on your right.
It says this is the left.
Oh.
Okay, I guess we'll see. Alright, well let's go check it out.
Let's go.
Alright, we made it. Kind of. This trailhead entrance is like, it looks like it's in a neighborhood, so it's, read that.
Topanga State Park, Santa Ynez Canyon Trail.
Good job. So the entrance is not very impressive, but it's okay. All right, let's continue on our way. We'll update you guys in a little bit.
So we're leaving because
that was a major fail.
Yeah, there was like nowhere to go really.
Fail.
The trail that we went up to led us to a house, so we're kind of lost. So we're going back.
Yeah, we just
try another one.
Yeah, we're gonna go to some different trail because we just walked up, and it was just like really wet, slippery, and we went to someone's backyard pretty much, and yeah. That's pretty much what happened. So we're gonna head back to the car, but we're gonna find a new place to go. Here. Alex, do you have a leaf? You don't want to walk. This is what we're doing with you guys.
I'll just walk in this.
Yeah. All right. Let's hit it. Found a new one. What's it called? It's called Trailer
Canyon Trail.
Trailer Canyon Trailhead. This is a fire road.
Looks a little bit easier to access from this one.
We're up pretty high, guys, as you can
In
see.
the sky, and it's cold as a fly.
Yeah. Show us what you were just filming.
Oh, on my
Or,
phone?
yeah, pull it up.
Why?
Well, actually, he's over here, you guys. So that bugger. Show us what you were doing. National Geographic.
Let's try to get some cinematic images here. It's not that bright out here.
Show us the. Wow.
Gorgeous.
What would we do without you? Capturing this
Bug's life.
this bug beetle moment.
He has his own life. And probably going back to his camera.
The bug?
Yeah.
This is pretty. It got cold though. What do you think? It's like 50 to 56 degrees?
Yeah, like 55.
But look at this, you guys. I mean, it's like we're back in Costa Rica. We're gonna keep going up and see what's at the top.
We made it to one of the tops, but
One of the top.
This trail is never ending. So
Yeah.
it's just
So
like-
there's we thought it was a top, but there's more.
But there's higher mountains, and then it just keeps going.
But we're gonna stop.
So yeah, take it all in.
What's the hour?
The hour of the day, que hora?
It is 1:45 Pacific Standard Time. So yeah, let's head back. What is today? Today is
Tuesday, Wednesday.
Thursday, Friday. Today's Wednesday, so we have the rest of today. Here we are going to head back and go check out Hollywood.
Yeah.
Maybe like just check out the area.
Oh, yeah, we need a picture by the Hollywood sign, right?
I don't know. I mean, we'll have to see
We
how
should try.
that is
We'll try.
to get there. But maybe do some shopping, and then we have dinner with a friend. So we're gonna do all that.
Yes.
And
sir,
tomorrow we head out to the desert, to Palm Spring.
and then Coachella.
Yes, that is what we're going to do. So,
All right, let's go.
what do I have on my face?
Let's go. We got like an hour.
Okay, guys. Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's actually the afternoon. It's like 6 o'clock. And you might notice it's a change of scenery. So we actually drove to Palm Springs today. And we are in a new Airbnb. But we're here for Coachella. So 2-bedroom Airbnb, the backyard is beautiful, super nice, and we picked up another squad member. That's Kristen. Say hello.
Hello.
Me and Kristen were friends in college,
Yo,
and
yo.
then Alex. We picked Alex up off the street. So, we're here, like we said, for the next few days. We are gonna go try to catch the sunset.
Somewhere up on the mountain.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that. Obviously, bring you guys along, but we are running out of daylight, so we're gonna get to that, and hopefully we can get some cool shots. So let's go see. I think 2 hikes is enough. Because we're gonna be at Coachella all weekend. It's cold up here.
We're on top of the world.
Well,
Feels good to be up here, though. I want to do more nature stuff. What do you have to say, Carter? It's a good way to end the night, though.
alright, well, we don't want to get stuck up here with the coyotes and the, what else is there?
Rattlesnakes.
The spiders and the rattlesnakes and the scorpions. You want to go back?
Alright, let's head back. We gotta get dinner,
Let's do it.
and then we're gonna unwind. Let's take a look at that booty.
You got her? Whoa! Okay. Good morning. Shh. Everyone's still asleep. I got up, it's like 6:30, so I'm gonna make everybody breakfast, and I'm like hunching over right now because the camera is not tall enough for me. But we are in Palm Springs, obviously. Today is, we got someone that woke up. We have someone. Look, it's Alexis.
I've been awake.
Gold's Gym. Anyways, look what I was doing.
Wow.
Now you can take over.
Productive.
Alright, well, we're gonna cook up this brekkie. And like I was saying, today's the first day of Coachella. But we have a lot to do before that. We're gonna cook breakfast, try to go to the gym. He has like a sports therapist coming here. We'll get a haircut. So we're gonna get to it and enjoy this nice meal. Yeah, we forgot cheese for the eggs.
We don't need cheese.
So we have some pizza that I might take the cheese off of. Anyways, we'll see you guys in a bit.
Right, we're on our way to Coachella day 1. What?
Is Kristen in there?
Hello.
So yeah, we're excited. We've got our outfits on. Everybody's ready to party. Right?
Yes. We can't really. We'll show you guys the outfits when we get there.
Just go to our Instagram, you'll find photos.
We're gonna film some on the iPhones, right?
Yeah.
In the festival.
We're headed to a friend's Airbnb, and then we're gonna are we gonna walk from there, or
Walk or Uber or take a rickshaw.
I would move here.
What?
I would.
There's nothing out here.
I meant like to California.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Cause they get like nice warm weather during the day, and then at night it gets chilly.
All right. Well, I think my seat heater's on for some reason, so that's cool.
That's sweat.
All right. Well, hopefully we make it. All right.
Or home.
Over and out.
We'll see you at Coachella.
I'll see you at Coachella. Coachella Sunday. We've been really sporadic with what we've been filming, so apologies for that, but we're here, we survived. Alex is silent at this point. We're a little bit brain dead, but I've had a great time.
Yeah, it's been awesome. We're excited for day 3.
It's a lot of walking, a lot of logistics, but it's really pretty once you're in. As you guys saw, it's a beautiful place. So
The food's good, the music's good.
food's good. Someone said there's donuts somewhere, but we haven't found them yet. But yeah, we just want to check in because it's really hard to film here. It's really loud, but we found a quiet place before it gets too crazy. But we are going to enjoy the rest of the festival, and we fly out tomorrow, Monday afternoon around 4 p.m. We just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Do you have any last words?
Go to Coachella next year.
Brain dead. Brain dead too. But yes, go to Coachella. Yeah. It's very pretty, as you guys can see. So we recommend coming out to the desert. But we'll leave you with that for now. And we're gonna go have some more fun. Okay, we're back home.
We are back, and
We're dead.
we have our puppies again.
We got the dogs. We got home at like 3
Like to sit
a.m.
like this
But we did it. We did the whole thing.
all 3 days.
Yes.
It was
So,
a lot for our feet
oh my gosh. Yeah,
and
my
our bodies.
Yeah, so now we're in recovery mode, but well worth it. Definitely a good time.
Yeah, it was one of the best festivals that I've been to,
Yeah,
for sure, besides the walking, but
yeah, and California is so pretty. We will be back, hopefully sooner than later.
Yeah, I want to move there kind of.
Sooner than there once. I want to go to San Diego.
Florida's like so plain, and there's like beaches and mountains and so much more there.
Yeah, there's definitely pros and cons, but we were talking about maybe visiting San Diego next because I just heard great things about that place.
Yeah.
So to be determined, but for now we are getting back into the swing of things.
Excited to be back home as well.
Yes, came back to
A mess.
a mess. Our bathroom is still getting worked on and everything. Our dog is a little bit sick, but it's okay. We are going to get back up on our feet. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Anything you want to leave them with?
Until next time, we love you guys.
Yeah, love you guys. As always, subscribe, like, it helps us out so much. Leave a comment on what you guys thought. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye. Bye.